Smart rings promise a lot. Heart rate, sleep tracking, sometimes blood oxygen or health monitoring, all from a ring on your finger. Today we're checking out the Nexoria Smart Ring, what it claims, what evidence supports it, and whether it's worth your money. According to Nexoria's marketing, the ring continuously monitors your heart rate, tracks sleep quality, and supposedly gives insights into stress, sleep patterns, and overall wellness. Some versions of the marketing even suggest it works 24/7 to watch your health. They also advertise water resistance and a high-performance chip to make the ring work seamlessly, painting a picture of a sleek all-in-one health tracker. Smart rings as a category do show some promise. Multiple studies suggest rings can monitor heart rate, sleep cycles, and even detect changes in heart rate variability and sleep quality with reasonable accuracy. But here's the catch. These study-backed rings are usually from established brands with validated sensors and transparent data collection. Meanwhile, the kind of magnetic therapy plus acupressure plus ring sensor magic approach that Nexoria seems to use, especially when they make bold claims about sleep culture, stress cure, migraine relief, there has no good scientific evidence behind it. Here are several warning signs with Nexoria. Experts note that smart rings can be inaccurate if the ring doesn't fit well, if you move a lot, or if the sensors are low grade, leading to misleading readings. The healthier sounding claims, stress reduction, better sleep, overall wellness monitoring, are often marketing hyperbole, not evidence based promises. As with many budget or lesser known smart rings, sensor quality, firmware's software update, the data reliability are uncertain. Some manufacturers of generic rings get criticized for inaccuracy or inconsistent data collection. The ring should be treated as a wellness gadget, not a medical device. It doesn't replace medical checkups, diagnostics, or clinical grade wearables. Nexoria might serve you a purpose if you want a very low cost entry into health tracking rings, mainly for hobby or casual use, and understand the limitations and will not treat the data as medical advice. You should be very cautious if you rely on accurate health data on heart conditions, serious sleep disorders, and stress management, and if you expect the ring to cure sleep problems, manage migraines, or replace professional health tools. So is the Nexoria Smart Ring real or fake? It's real in the sense that it can record some biometric data, like many smart rings when used under ideal conditions, but it becomes highly questionable when Nexoria markets it as a silver bullet for sleep, stress, migraines, or wellness. There's no solid science backing those claims, and many red flags around sensor quality and reliability. Our recommendation is to treat Nexoria like a cheap experimental wellness toy, not as a reliable health tool. If you seek serious, accurate monitoring, you're better off with a reputable smart ring from a trusted brand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.